Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google. Click on Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to change. Then enter your current login method. Hit Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you're ready, just click on Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!